like the thing which I'm telling right now, yeah, this have already happened, right? Is it happening again? Is it glitch in the matrix? Yes, I know that you would have already guessed it what I am going to tell you in this today's video. That is about deja vu, which is that you've already experienced it. When you are doing something, you feel like you've already experienced it, but you cannot guess the next thing which you're going to do. That is deja vu. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya, watching me on The Expand. By the end of today's video, I'm sure that you will know what is the reason behind deja vu and why do we get deja vu. Let's get into the video. Basically, this deja vu is not something about black magic, or it's not something like you've already traveled through time and then you saw the future and then you came back to the past. It's nothing like that. And also it is not glitch in the matrix also. It is all about a simple concept and very easily understandable concept of deja vu. So basically this deja vu is a word from French which says that already seen, which means that you have already seen the incident which has happened, but that's not true. You would have not already seen the incident. Let me tell you what the reason and why this deja vu is formed. So normally when you observe something, you actually look at the object or look at the incident whichever is happening and then you observe it. It doesn't mean that it's just straight away goes and store in your brain. You actually observe it and your eyes watches it. Your eyes will take that memory into your head and that is stored as a memory in your visual cortex. Now what happens is that the process, the first time where you see the incident, in this time the right eye and the left eye should process in an equal manner and it should absorb the information in an equal manner and then it should take those information together to the visual cortex. But in the process of deja vu, what happens is that the right eye or the left eye will function in a different way. Suppose if my right eye observes the incident faster, it will go and store in my brain, and after that what happens is my left eye will observe that and then it will store it. But in this time there is no sync. There is no sync of the memory storage. Now what happens is, since the right eye already took the information and stored it in our brain, the left eye, when the information goes, it feels like we have already seen, because there is a difference between our eyes watching things. This is one of the reason why we are getting deja vu and how we are getting deja vu, because scientifically we cannot tell as a one reason. Since this is a scientific thing, there are many conspiracy theories. This is one of the theories. So unlike lucid dreams, you cannot make deja vu, right? Lucid dream in the sense that you can dream whatever you want to dream, you can dream, you can experience those dreams. But in deja vu it's not like that. It is said that only 60% of the people actually experience this deja vu mostly. So if you are experiencing, you are one of the 60 to 70% people. And it is also said that it is happening too much because of the stress. So mostly adult people actually get most of deja vus. There are two types of deja vu. First one is associative and the next one is biological. Associative is just like a normal deja vu, a normal person with no other biological problems. Whereas the biological deja vu is the one where people having epilepsy, right? The people who are suffering from seizures, they get this deja vu more often. So coming to the theory second, that is the, you can say that is quite interesting theory also. So now let me explain with giving an example. So now suppose if you are looking at a textbook, or if you are looking at a specific teddy bear, what you do is that teddy bear structure, color or whatever you have seen, that will be stored in your brain, right? And there is a part called hippocampus. In that part of the brain, this instructions of which you have seen, that will be stored. That is called long-term memories. Long-term memories in the sense I will be remembering the things which have been seen in 1 month before or 1 year before. Then comes short-term memory, that is I have just seen the book right now, I have just seen, and that is stored in my memory. That is a short-term memory. Now coming to how this deja was occurring in the theory 2. Now what happens is that when you see a certain textbook, that textbook is actually combined with the previous information which you have stored. So it's not the first time you will be seeing the textbook, right? You will be seeing some other textbook in 2 months back or 1 month back also. So that information would have been already stored in your brain. So when the textbook which you see for the new, that textbook is compared with the old textbook which you have seen, the connection, it sends the signals. There are too many signals sent to our brain, and that is checking whether the textbook here is exactly same as textbook from the past. So like this, there are so many things which is happening around. Just like I'm talking right now, if I sit, if I stand, if I run, if I walk, whatever it is actually compared, it is compared with the previous or a long term memory which is already stored in our mind. So now, since if the long term memory and the short term memory is actually combined together, so if it actually becomes equal, and that actually happens in a rare case, it does not sense the same signals all the time. It every time sends the different signals. So suppose if I'm walking right now, my mind would actually compare with the hippocampus that whether I have walked this place earlier, and if I'm dancing in some of the specific part, my mind will think whether I have danced this already in any other the same place. So when that connection, when it connects with the previous memories, if it actually attach, if it actually becomes similar, then the deja vu happens. So it is actually do not happen in most of the cases. It is kind of 1%, 2% chances only where the signal actually connects by mistake. That is why this deja vu is happening. This is kind of one of the other reason. So I think that you would have got why this deja vu is. This is just a simple reason. This is not just like so much scientific reasons are behind it. Still the scientists have not yet discovered that what is the exact reasons. They have been telling so many theories are happening, so many things are going around, but still they cannot predict the exact thing why this deja vu is happening. But one thing is clear, that it is not kind of time traveling. It is not because some of black magic or glitch in the matrix. It is nothing like that. Everything is scientific. Everything is related to your mind with your memories only. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you would have understood it. Mention down the comment whether you have understood it clearly or you did not understand it clearly. And thank you so much. If you like this video, share with those people who would like to know about these things, who would like to know more about memories and deja vu and dreams and all this stuff, and tell the people and convey to the people how you feel about it. If you can, don't leave the comment section empty, and I feel so pity for the comment section that nobody is looking over there. Okay, lame joke. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video.